Go ahead. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Full motion. Cool.
And one out to the side.
Sure. Good. Can you bring it up that way? Good. All right. Good.
And then like this.
Yep. Nice. Good. All right, and then just tell us about the process. You can sit if you want.
I can what?
You can sit if you want.
Okay. It was fine. You pushed me a little bit to continue the PT, which is exactly what I needed to do. Because then when I went back for the following 6 weeks, I did the weight stuff, and that seemed to help quite a bit. But now I'm hanging drywall and remodeling the rest of my bathroom.
And how far out are you from surgery?
4.5 months.
And what surgery did you have?
I had a rotator cuff repair and a biceps tendon repair and 2 implants put in somewhere.
Yep, exactly. Cool. Thank you.